Today is December 10th and I'm just standing on my deck watching the birds. They all flew away when I went outside, but they're all coming back slowly. And look at that beautiful cardinal. But look at this. These are the cleanup crew. But yeah, look at this. It's so beautiful to watch. There's a female cardinal, or it could be a juvenile cardinal. Come on, girl. Yeah, she's actually a little better today. She's kind of trying to run. She's most wobbly in the morning as she just woke up. Come. Lucian, come here. She always stops and has her thoughts. Where are you going, to the gate? Okay. She's dragging her feet. There we go, baby. Oh, good girl. You're wagging her tail. Good girl. Hey, you want to go eat some breakfast? You gonna eat a little bit of food today? Okay, gotta wipe your eyes. Good girl. You get better, okay? Each day, please. This is Electra's toy that I gave her 4 days ago. There's not much left. She did a good job. Oh, she's got to eat that part. She nibbled on there. Good job, Electra. Good job. Keep going, okay? Did you have a good time? Kingsley, what you do with your toy? Is it chewed up yet? Nope. Just a little bit. He chewed the cork. Some of the corks here. A little bit of the wood here on the tree. He's not a very big chewer. He takes his time chewing his toys, which is totally fine. So you can enjoy it longer than Electra did, huh? Yeah? Come on. Come on. Let's go. There we go, baby. Come on out. Hi, baby. He's a good boy. Synergy did a good job on his. Look at this. Nice creation. He's still having a good time with it. Good job, Synergy. Good job. Did you work on your Christmas toy? Yes, look at that. It's been chewed a little bit. He's not the biggest chewer either. He likes soft woods. You can see he's working on the cork there. Yeah, so this will last him a while. Did you like your new toy? Good job. It's time to decorate my tree. The lights are already on because it came with the lights, but there's no ornaments on it. So it's time to do that. You sleeping under the tree? Yeah, she's feeling a bit better today. So I finished the tree. Looks all right. What's that, Bubbles? What's that? Bubbles, look. Is that a cockatoo? What's that? Benny, 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 no, drop it. That's my Christmas tree ornament. Drop it, drop it, drop it. He won't let go. Thinks it's for him. No, did you wreck it? Looks like I gotta hang this like up high. He thinks this is toy. It's my bunny. It's my Christmas bunny. No, you can't have it, silly goose.